I'm going to show you how I make a gradient for my app bar. I'm just going to go over to lib folder, and you'll see that I already have colors folder here that I made up. And I'm just going to call this one gradient 2. It's going to be a linear gradient. Then import material. And then I'm going to go linear gradient. We'll just call it grad 2. Hopefully this works. And then return linear gradient. And I'm going to make this one like Canada colors, I guess you would say, because it's for my vaccine app. So yeah, I am going to go with, say, this color here to start off with. So after I put linear gradient, and then I put the colors in the I guess you would say the array here, right? And then no, let's go with a brighter red. Bright red. Sort of like, yeah, maybe like that. Copy. And then we're going to go begin, alignment, dot, bottom, bottom center, I'll say, and then end, alignment, dot, top, center. Let's see what happens when this runs. Flutter run. I've never built this one before, but we'll see what happens. Actually, you know what? We want to quit that for a second here. X. Because I want to get the simulator up and running first. So let's just wait a few minutes for the simulator to get up and running so we could see. Oh, and by the way, we want to call it somewhere too, right? Don't we? So I'm going to go into my app bar, and then we're going to call grad 2 instead of grad 0. There. And then we're going to just erase this. Grad 2. Okay, now we got that up and running. So I'm going to go to terminal. Not there. Flutter. Run. And I already have my ping image for the app icon in the project, so you shall see it coming up in a minute here. It's taking a while to build. But yeah, I usually just make my own gradients, and I put them in the color folder just to make it easy just to call the gradient as a function. So yeah, there's that. We shall see what happens now. Yeah, you see I call my top app bar, and then top app bar, And then that's where I have my gradients in there. It's inside the container. Should see it in about a minute showing up. Let's hope I get this right. Yep, that's right. That passport, or sorry, the gradient isn't too dramatic, but we'll see what happens when we change colors. So instead of going like that, why don't we go for like a really light color here? Go for like a lighter pink or something. Okay, we'll use this for the time being. Yep, that works fine. And I'm gonna want to get rid of the debug thing here, so I'm gonna go over to enter. Debug. Change kernel to false. Now restart it. Okay, that works. And anyway, so that's the tutorial for how to make a linear gradient, I guess you would say. And I'm going to continue this on later. Have a good day. Bye.